Hi everybody, I'm Edward Maclean, bass player, composer, producer and father of two. Welcome to my tiny lesson on how to put first things first. I assume you're watching this because you know there's more to your day, to your week, to your month, your year, your life. Because you have the feeling that you're not yet really doing what you want to be doing or should be doing. Or to put it simple, because you want to get more bang in your life. Alright, here's 6 steps to put your first things first in your life. Step number 1, create clarity. Take pen and paper, divide that page into 2 columns, and heading for column number 1 is important, for column number 2 is urgent. And now make a list, write down what's urgent and what is important in your life. Quick rule of thumb, whatever people need from you, want from you, comes from the outside, this is urgent. Whatever comes from within you, what your plans are, your visions, what you dream to be doing, this is important for you. Step number 2, from your important list, mark your number 1 priority. What is most important for you? And please do not be judgmental. Nothing like, oh, I think I cannot do it, or what am I thinking? No, mark your number 1 priority. Now in step number 3 we take a little but important detour. Please define your diamond hour of the day. What is your diamond hour? Diamond hour is that time of the day where you're most energetic, where you're brimming with ideas, with plans, when you just want to get stuff done. That's your diamond hour. For some it might be late at night, for some early in the morning, for some around noon. Make sure you know what your diamond hour is. Now in step number 4 of putting first things first, we mark it in your calendar. Monday 9 till 10:30, number 1 priority, songwriting. Tuesday 9 to 10:30, songwriting. Wednesday, it's blocked. If this happens, make sure you put it in another time of the day. And if it's only 10 minutes, if it's like 9 p.m. till 9:15 p.m., but put it in there and mark it in your calendar. Alright, step number 5. While you're at it, avoid distractions at all costs. So please, put your cell phone on flight mode and put it away in the next room. Make sure it's not in your reach. Browser windows you don't need, close them. Stuff on your desk you don't need for what you're doing, put it away. Throw it out of the window or in your trash bin, wherever. Put it away. Alright, that was step number 5. Step number 6, do not break the chain. Which chain? Well, once you worked on your number 1 priority, make a big X in your calendar. Next day, I worked on my number 1 priority, big X, and so on. And you see, a chain is evolving. Do not break that chain. Alright, quick recap. Step number 1, make a list of what's important and what's urgent in your life. Step number 2, define or declare your number 1 priority. Step 3, define your diamond hour of the day. Step 4, mark it in your calendar. Most preferably in your diamond hour, take care of your number 1 priority. Step 5, while you're at it, avoid distractions at all costs. And step 6, do not break the chain. Thanks a lot for listening to my tiny lesson how to put first things first. How to put your first things first in your life. I'm Edward Maclean. You can find me on Tiny Lessons, Instagram.com/tiny.lessons, tiny.lessons. Thank you so much for listening, for taking the time. If you have ideas, comments, feedback, please hit the comment section. Thanks a lot. Ciao.